Hello, I'm Brad Young, Product Manager here at Halco Lighting Technologies, and today I'm excited to introduce to you our new Emergency T8 lamp. The Halco Emergency T8 is a 4-foot ballast bypass lamp with a medium bipin base, offering both 4,000 and 5,000 Kelvin. The lamp is rated for 50,000 hours and backed by our 5-year warranty. Under normal operation, the Emergency T8 produces 2,100 lumens using 17 watts and emits 400 lumens during emergency usage scenarios. The battery is rated for 90 minutes of continual use and can be recharged in 5 hours. The conveniently placed charging indicator allows for quick visual inspection to ensure the lamp is fully charged or is currently charging. The emergency tube is designed for simple installation into your existing fixture. Simply place the Emergency T8 into non-shunted tombstones, then connect the constant power and neutral to one side and the emergency circuit power and neutral to the other side of the tube. Once properly installed, the tube will function as a standard T8 until there's a loss of power, at which point the battery turns on and illuminates the T8. The Emergency T8 is UL classified and DLC listed. In addition, the Emergency T8 has been tested and verified by UL and received the UL verified status for its battery backup components. The Halco Emergency T8 provides the simplest and most hassle-free way to meet safety lighting standards without the expense of using separate emergency lighting fixtures.
Speak with one of our dedicated lighting expert account managers by calling 1-800-624-4488 to find the perfect lighting for any application.